Hello guys, this is Balika. Happy Valentine's! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy yet impressive romantic dinner at home. Let's start with the ingredients. We're making a chicken Wellington with fettuccine, and so that's our first ingredient, fettuccine, and then we have some pesto, chicken breasts, string beans, tomatoes, puff pastries, and that's basically it. I got all of these ingredients from Fusion for under 200 Hong Kong dollars, so that's a really good deal. The first thing we want to do when we get home is to defrost 2 pieces of the puff pastry, 1 for each chicken breast. Then we want to preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and move on to washing the cherry tomatoes and string beans. Following these exact steps, we'll be able to finish cooking in under 30 minutes with minimal wash up, which is what I like best about this recipe. Next, line our baking tray with some parchment paper and lay down our 2 pieces of chicken breasts. We want to flatten the chicken breasts by pounding them with our fist until the fat ends are the same thickness as the skinny ends. After that, season the chicken breasts with sea salt and black pepper. Then spread over the pesto. Now go back to the puff pastry. What we want to do is to cut each sheet into 4 strips like this. Then lay the 4 strips of pastry over each breast by overlapping them like this and tucking them under at the edges. Once the chicken breasts are nicely wrapped, we can begin to place the cherry tomatoes onto the tray. Lightly dress the tomato in olive oil or any oil of your choice, and also brush the pastry with a little oil. Then season the tomatoes with sea salt and black pepper. And we're ready to go into the oven. Cook for 20 minutes or until the pastry is golden and the chicken is cooked through. Meanwhile, line up the beans and trim off just the stalk ends. The chicken has now been in the oven for 10 minutes and has another 10 minutes to go. We will now start boiling 2 pots of water, 1 for the beans, 1 for the fettuccine. Remember to add some salt into both pots of water. Boil the beans and the fettuccine for 6 minutes. And it's about time to get the chicken Wellington out of the oven. I'm transferring the chicken Wellingtons onto the table. Then I remove the chicken to a plate with half the tomatoes, squashing the rest in the tray. Toss in the beans to soak up all those delicious tomato juice before serving them onto the plate with the chicken as well. Serve the fettuccine with your personal favorite sauce and fill up your wine glass, and there you have it, your homemade romantic Valentine's dinner. Bon appetit and happy Valentine's!